Hi there, welcome to our channel. So Oppo announced the Reno 5 series last week in the home country where they launched Reno 5 and 5 Pro. Now a new phone will be unveiled in this series called Reno 5 Pro Plus. Last week, Digital Chat Station had claimed that Oppo will also release a Snapdragon 865 powered smartphone with Reno 5 Pro Plus moniker. It looks like he was right. And now the smartphone has finally appeared on TENNA and Geekbench, confirming pretty much every claims and leaks. Design-wise, there isn't going to be a huge difference between the Pro and Pro Plus. The front panel comes with a punch hole cutout, the right side features power on and off button, while the left features volume controls. It comes with a rectangular camera module at the back with 4 cameras, and the build will be made up of glass and aluminium. The phone comes with a gradient finish and features Reno glow tag at the base, and the handset will be available in silver and black color options. The listing has also revealed full specifications of the phone. To start with, the handset will feature a 6.55-inch curved AMOLED display with a screen resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The device is expected to carry a refresh rate of 90 Hz, similar to the other Reno 5 series devices. The phone is powered by a 2.8 GHz octa-core processor as per TENNA, and only the Snapdragon 865 series has a core running at those exact speeds. Also in Geekbench, the motherboard section mentions Kona, which is a codename for Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. The phone features 8 and 12 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of internal storage combinations. In terms of optics, the phone has a quad rear camera setup that includes a 50 megapixel IMX766 primary sensor with OIS, a 16 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 13 megapixel sensor with a telephoto lens, and a 2 megapixel macro shooter. At the front, Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus has a 32 megapixel sensor housed in a hole punch cutout. The battery is listed at 2200 mAh, which certainly refers to only one of the 2 cells on board the phone, so it will feature 4400 mAh in total. Sadly, there is no mention of fast charging in the listing, however it's believed to come with 65-watt fast charging. Other features are Android 11 out of the box with ColorOS 11 on top. And finally, about its launch, Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus is expected to arrive on December 24th. So that is all for now. For more updates, do subscribe, and thank you for watching. Peace out.